Ayan.
Kunin mo pati yung sa tuktok.
Ang Burj
Hindi
Khalifa.
ka man marunong dyan ka. Kapag
Ayan.
mo.
Nakidaan lang tayo.
Sige, kunin mo pati tuktok.
Ayan. Ayan, ayan. Nakidaan lang dahil wala tayong pambayad sa loob. Ayan.
Tayo doon. Hindi ba pa tayo?
Sa ano to view. So ayan, ang ganda talaga ng mga view niya. Ang daming mga puno. Ayan. Ayan siya. Tingnan niyo naman. Wow. Ayan. Ang daming puno. Siguro ang sarap pumunta dyan, kaya lang super ano dyan, pang mayaman lang yan.
Okay. Ito. What number you go?
This is the brother.
Ha?
Brother.
Ha?
So
The
ayan,
security raven. Okay. No, the change in the railway.
No changing?
ayan.
The security.
The school?
No, security.
Security?
This now first security company. This is the no change in railway. Okay, this is the company. Okay.
Oh, what? I cannot wait. You still here, bus 34. But today you go security.
Security.
Ah.
This is the time in the 3 days, 4 days.
When?
This is the security. This is the changing the bus. No, driver.
Drivers changing this one?
This is the bus changing. Driver.
Go. This one not allowed
No,
waiting.
this is the
Not allowed waiting.
school bus.
Even.
This is the school bus. No problem.
Okay na ano sa'yo. Your brother coming?
Huh?
Your brother coming?
This is the driver changing.
So ayan, di ba? Nakita na ninyo ang ating
This is the
Burj Khalifa.
You go duty?
duty, the security.
Security? Where?
Oh, what?